Alone redu, palle achum na kallu.
Trailer launch or ఇంతకు ముందు గుంటూరు టాకీస్ లాంచ్ ఇట్లా చూసుకుంటే అన్నిట్లో బాలకృష్ణ గారు ఈజ్ అసోసియేటెడ్ విత్ యూ ఎస్పెషల్లీ
With me, no, yaar, please. Who's me to ask these questions, yaar? What rubbish. Dio, disuk, 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 Dio, disuk, 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 disuk. You're the only reporter who's asked me about this movie, yeah, by the way, right now in Hyderabad at least. Nobody's asked me about it. Great.
ఈ ఒక్క కాన్వర్సేషన్తో నాకు 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ నా మైండ్లో వచ్చాయి. వన్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ ద కాస్టింగ్ కౌచ్.
Yes, it does happen, and but with respect to me, the thing is that I have a very, very strong and strict image with everyone. Definitely it exists. I will not say that it doesn't exist. And Praveen Sattaru is one of them. You know, the thing is that Praveen could not put a single line of mine in the trailer. Okay? And initially I felt very bad. I was like, what the hell? I did so much mehnat and you didn't put my line in the trailer. What is this?
Telugu or South industry, they don't, heroines are from Bollywood, from Mumbai. All the South Indian actors have to be bulgy and fat.
That is rubbish. That's a cliche. I am not bulgy and fat.
Right now, everybody is talking about Bahubali, and Bahubali have set Indian cinema standards very, very high.
Well, after Bahubali, PSV Garuda Vega is also going to set the standards higher. Excellent. Yeah.
Okay.
Things to him. And all I say is da. Correct, in the movie da. But in this one I had to speak a lot of Achamaina Telugu lines, the reporter language, the anchor language, and Dio, disuk, 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 disuk. It was very nice, the interview, but very controversial questions.
బాలీవుడ్లో తన కెరీర్ని స్టార్ట్ చేసి సౌత్ ఇండస్ట్రీని ఒక ఊపి అటు హిందీలో ఇటు సౌత్లో రెండు వైపులా ఫుల్ ఆన్ షేక్ ఆన్ చేస్తున్న మన శ్రద్ధా దాస్ ఇవాళ మనతో ఉన్నారు. హాయ్ శ్రద్ధ.
హాయ్ కాజల్.
హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
వెరీ గుడ్.
So we have seen you as Revolver Rani in Guntur Talkies, and now again with Praveen Sattaru. So how is it working with him again and again?
Same. He's a very, very professional director, and you know, one really weird thing I'll tell you is that for the first time in 10 years in my 10 years of Telugu cinema, it's the first time I gave an audition for a Telugu film.
Okay.
And in spite of working as Revolver Rani in Guntur Talkies, he auditioned me for this role. Although it became a hit and everything, and I got critical commercial acclaim. So the reason why it was that in Guntur Talkies, all I'm doing is picking up the hero and doing different things to him. And all I say is da. Correct, in the movie da. But in this one I had to speak a lot of Achamaina Telugu lines, the reporter language, the anchor language, and so everything, whatever I say is in one shot, so no cuts. And my problem is I can't take prompting also. So he wanted to check, he didn't doubt my acting capabilities, but he wanted to check if I will be able to say those pure Telugu words at one stretch or not, like a monologue. So he sent me 2 pages of dialogues, and he told me, I want you to audition, like record a video and send me of both. Then I did it at night and sent it to him, and that's how I got selected for this. So that is the kind of director he is. So even if you are friends with him or done 5 movies with him, he will not cast you if you don't deserve the character.
ఈ ఒక్క కాన్వర్సేషన్తో నాకు 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ నా మైండ్లో వచ్చాయి. వన్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ ద కాస్టింగ్ కౌచ్, అండ్ ది అదర్ థింగ్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ ద ఐల్ టెల్ యూ లేటర్. సో లెట్స్ టాక్ అబౌట్ కాస్టింగ్ కౌచ్. వీ ఆర్ హియరింగ్ సో మెనీ థింగ్స్ అబౌట్ దాట్. సో హౌ ఇస్ ఇట్? ఐ మీన్, ఈజ్ ఇట్ రియలీ హ్యాపెనింగ్ ఆర్?
Yes, it does happen, and but with respect to me, the thing is that I have a very, very strong and strict image with everyone. So nobody really dares to come and say anything to me. What I can say is that, you know, I think people who do get indulged in that, you know, that is, I would say, an easy way out. You know, if you have to be a lambi race ka ghoda and you do things in the right way, you will last here for very long. So that's what I feel, and definitely it exists. I will not say that it doesn't exist. But then there are a lot of directors who actually take you only on the basis of your talent, and Praveen Sattaru is one of them.
Super. And the next question is, the other question because of this conversation I got is, recently we have seen Hina Khan saying that Telugu or South industry, they don't, heroines are from Bollywood, from Mumbai, వాళ్ళకి తెలుగు రాదు, కానీ వాళ్ళు ABCDEFG 6786 అని చెప్తూ ఉంటారు డైలాగ్స్. సో వాళ్ళు ప్రాపర్ తెలుగు లైన్స్ చెప్పరు, అండ్ దే all the South Indian actors have to be bulgy and fat.
That is rubbish. That's a cliche. I am not bulgy and fat, but I think any woman looks good when she is a little curvaceous. So that is, you know, nobody likes a very. But anyways, I would not want to comment on any body type or anything. But I would say that's a cliche which everybody feels, that, you know, oh, you have to be plump if you're here or something like that. I don't think that is a thing. Secondly, about lines, for me personally, I can speak that I can't, my problem is I can't take even one line of prompting. So whether it's Malayalam, Kannada, Bengali, Hindi, Telugu, I have to learn my lines. And for every movie till today, I make the AD sit with me, and I learn every word's meaning, pronunciation, pause, how to say it, how y'all say it, everything. And for this movie, because it was Achamaina Telugu, so I called up a journalist. I took training from him for 1 month before coming, and till today, even it's 1 year now, I still remember my lines. And the lines are like tongue twisters because they are not the normal Telugu. So even the people who were Telugu people around me, the reporters, even they were not able to say one line of it while I was saying an entire page. So for me personally, I worked very hard and did my line. So I think that's a complete cliche. ऐसे ABCD तो बोल नहीं सकते बिल्कुल भी. कभी भी नहीं देखा है मैंने ऐसे ABCD कोई बोलता है.
Okay, so this thing goes to you, workaholic.
Yeah, I am a workaholic completely. Yeah.
సో అచ్చమైన తెలుగు లైన్స్ నేర్చుకుని అక్కడ చెప్పారు, మరి ఇప్పుడు ఒకసారి చెప్పకపోతే ఎలా?
You know, the thing is that Praveen could not put a single line of mine in the trailer. Okay. And initially I felt very bad. I was like, what the hell? I did so much mehnat and you didn't put my line in the trailer. What is this? So, but the reason was that my lines reveal completely what PSV Garuda Vega is. So I can't say it, but I can just say the first line and cut.
Yes, done.
So it's like
action.
NIA Assistant Commissioner Mr. Chandrasekhar అందించిన సమాచారం ప్రకారం కట్. ఈ కేసుకి సంబంధించిన ఒకరిని అడుపులోకి తీసుకొని కట్.
ఏం చేశారు, ఏం జరిగింది తెలియాలి అంటే గరుడ వేగ చూడాల్సిందే.
Yeah, after 1 month you ask me, I'll say the whole thing.
So Garuda Vegaలో మీ క్యారెక్టర్ ఈజ్ an anchor.
Yeah, she's a reporter.
Okay.
Who asks the right questions.
Okay.
Which are needed to be asked.
Okay. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు నేను మిమ్మల్ని ఒక యాంకర్ పొజిషన్లో, ఒక రిపోర్టర్ పొజిషన్లో పెట్టి గరుడ వేగా గురించి ఇప్పటి వరకు ఏ యాంకర్, ఏ రిపోర్టర్ అడగని ప్రాపర్ కరెక్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇప్పుడు మీరు అడగాలి, అండ్ యూ ఓన్లీ హ్యావ్ టు ఆన్సర్ దాట్ క్వశ్చన్.
No yaar, everybody's asked all correct questions. There is no such question which is left. I have given, I think, 25-30 interviews by now. Wow. And everywhere they have asked correct questions. So there's no such question left.
ఏ ఒక్క క్వశ్చన్ కూడా అబౌట్ యువర్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఆర్ అబౌట్ ద మూవీ?
Nothing. Not a single.
So which was the interesting question? అన్ని ఇంటర్వ్యూస్లో, అన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్లో ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఏమనిపించింది?
For me personally, the best question that made me also think that, oh, am I doing such a thing, was when Potugadu is there in radio, right? He asked me I think he's in radio 91.1.
Radio City.
So he asked me one question yesterday that why do I feel that you are selecting movies like how actors in Hollywood select films? Because you know, generally what people always want, especially Praveen's film, don't have a hero, heroine, villain. You know that if you've seen Guntur Talkies, there are important characters. And I think even in this movie, I don't have any song. I'm not dancing around. I don't have any love story, but I have a very strong character. And when you go to see Hollywood films, those are the kind of roles people take up, and they do, you know, and that makes you last very long also. And I feel very happy that I do such a role. So he asked me this question that, are you bisecting scripts and taking up such characters or anything? And that really made me sit back and think that, yeah, if I go to see the kind of roles I did, whether Babu Moshai or this movie or the earlier one, I'm very proud of the work that I've chosen. So that.
Wow. So trailer launch or ఇంతకు ముందు గుంటూరు టాకీస్ లాంచ్, ఇట్లా చూసుకుంటే అన్నిట్లో బాలకృష్ణ గారు ఈజ్ అసోసియేటెడ్ విత్ యూ ఎస్పెషల్లీ.
With me, no, yaar, please. Who's made you ask these questions, yaar? What rubbish.
And you were deeply involved in the trailer launch.
The Guntur Talkies.
Yeah.
Yeah. So no, Guntur Talkies trailer launch, I had worked with him in Tingo Tingo, and then they asked me that can you invite him, and I was like, but I was told that, you know, generally he wouldn't really come, doesn't come to functions and all. So then I just tried asking him, and he was very sweet. He came, and the film became a hit, and there's a sentiment attached to it. But for this trailer launch, until I came to Hyderabad also, I didn't know. Like, I saw it, I came to know on Twitter that he's launching it. So I have no involvement in him coming for this launch.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, but what was
But he's a very good luck factor for the film, because from his hands, the last film became a hit, and we know that we hope that this film will also be.
Yeah, కానీ మీరిద్దరూ చాలా ఎక్కువసేపు మాట్లాడుకుంటూ ఉన్నారు, కుస్కుస్ అవుతూ ఉండింది.
No, not me. He's talking to Rajshekhar sir.
It was not with you?
No, you see the videos. But obviously general conversation he will have, like hello, how are you and everything, and the conversation was between them. They were discussing some joke in Telugu or something, I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have also worked with him in Dictator movie. So how is it working with Balakrishna?
It was just a song, and it was I used to be on time all the time. I'm on time otherwise also, but since he's such a senior actor, if I say, you know, if I have given say 100% to anything that I do, I had given 200% for the song, that I don't do any mistakes when he's around. So that's the thing, and he's very jolly and jovial and everything, and very chilled out on the sets also, and he keeps joking. So yeah, it was a very good experience.
So like Potugadu said, you have done very wide, vast kind of variety of roles,
all
characters,
kinds of things,
all
yeah.
kind of. So one kind was Great Grand Masti, which you have done.
Okay. You're the only reporter who's asked me about this movie, yeah, by the way, right now in Hyderabad at least. Nobody's asked me about Great Grand Masti. Tell me.
So Grand Masti, Great Grand Masti, Mega Grand Masti might come.
Yeah.
So if you will get a chance to do that same kind of role or character, will you accept it?
What I did in Great Grand Masti?
Yeah.
No.
If it is a different character?
Something which would a little more. See, I feel that in that we really didn't have much to perform. So if they make the fourth one, I would definitely demand for a little more meaty role. Then I would.
You're very, very active in social media.
Yeah.
Before the interview have started, మీరు ఒక స్టోరీ పెట్టారు. So చాలా యాక్టివ్ గా ఎట్లా, what pushes you, what drives you to be very active?
Oh my God, the amount of people who you know, there is like, it doesn't take a second, and there are like so many people who start commenting and reacting and everything, and it's like an instant connection, and I love it. So you know, it's fun, because even when I post say a normal picture or anything, and there are like within 1 hour there are like so many likes and comments and everything, and I did not know that this is the kind of following I would have. So it's excellent, you know. I love the connection people.
So promotions ki meeru
And another thing is that people have a very, wherever I go, people think that I have a very serious and strong image and everything. So that at least shows them the lighter side of me. Yeah.
So promotions ki ఏ విధంగా సోషల్ మీడియా యూజ్ అవుతుందని అనుకుంటున్నారు మీరు?
I think social media is extremely big. Like, come on, tell me among all of us, like, you know, the number of people now on social media, or, you know, watching things on YouTube is higher than on TV also, like, especially our generation. So I feel it has a very wide reach. Every person has an Android phone in his hand. So I think social media is very big right now, and it's free. So
right now everybody is talking about Bahubali, and Bahubali have set Indian cinema standards very, very high. So what do you feel about that?
Well, after Bahubali, PSV Garuda Vega is also going to set the standards higher. So definitely after Bahubali, I have seen the film, by the way, last night, and it has very, very grand visuals, and Telugu people will be very proud of this movie. Like, you can show it to a Hollywood director, and even he will say that excellent. Yeah.
Okay.
Mark my words, this film will be remade everywhere. First of all, it's an original script written by Praveen, and the taking and the shot taking and everything is mind blowing, like a complete Hollywood film.
Okay. So after listening to Bahubali and after listening to Garuda Vega, so both the scripts are with you. So which one you will select?
What is this kind of question, yaar?
Bahubali or
If Bahubali was there, then I would pick up Anushka's role.
Devasena. If Devasena,
Sorry?
if Devasena's character is offered,
Yes.
then you would choose Bahubali.
Yes.
Okay. Coming back to Garuda Vega, Praveen Sattaru have said that చాలా సిల్లీ అయిపోయింది సెన్సార్ బోర్డ్ స్టాండర్డ్స్. సో సెన్సార్ బోర్డ్ గురించి ఆర్ ఎన్ని
My God, who has given you this list of questions? But तुम कुछ भी कर लो, मैंने भी जर्नलिज्म पढ़ा है, तुम मेरे से नहीं निकाल पाओगे कुछ भी. I'll give you interesting answers, but you can't put me in a spot. Try your best.
బట్ యు నో ఏ కట్స్ చెప్పారో మీకు తెలుసా?
No, I have no idea.
You have no idea.
No.
ఓకే. సో గరుడ వేగ సినిమాలో మీరు మూవీ మొత్తం నిన్న చూసారు కదా, విచ్ వాస్ ద బెస్ట్ పార్ట్? అంటే మీకు బాగా నచ్చింది ఏంటి గరుడ వేగలో యాజ్ అ వ్యూవర్?
There is one comedy scene of Rajshekhar sir with his child. I laughed like crazy in that scene, and I'm telling you, every person will write about that scene with his. I won't tell you what it is, but yeah, that one is my favorite.
సూపర్. హౌ వాస్ ఇట్ వర్కింగ్ విత్ రాజశేఖర్ గారు?
It was very good. Like I said, that when you're around like a senior actor and everything, you automatically become like proper and all of that. But with him, you can be very normal and chilled out. Even if you see him with his daughters, like the relationship I have with my father, it's extremely free and chilled out. And so it's like the way he is with everybody on the set. You can be very chilled out around him. You don't have to be like very careful about what you're saying, what you're doing, or anything of that sort. So that I really like. Secondly, he had a heart attack before the film started, and in spite of that, he doesn't know to swim. He did swimming in the film. He's done so much running, all the stunts on his own. So that is commendable about him. Yeah, and he's given it his all. So more than anybody else, I really want this film to be a hit for him. Yeah.
Yes. So do you believe in energies and aura?
Oh yeah, big time.
Yeah. So in Telugu film industry, whose energy is like the best? Whenever he or she is around, you will feel very, very comfortable. Whose energies are very, very positive?
But I don't really hang out much with anybody here. I finish my work and go next day.
Oh.
So I'm not hanging out with anybody. So how will I say that?
Who is the best person to hang out with?
I don't really hang out with anybody.
You.
See, tonight I'll finish this. If I suppose I finish all my work tonight, next flight I will take and I go to Bombay, or next morning I go. So I don't hang out with anyone.
Not anyone. You
Not
don't
at
have
all.
friends.
I only go to my room. I have this lady Gauridi who stays and travels with me. So she's my constant companion. So we go back to the room and so tired that I go to sleep. I don't go anywhere.
Okay.
Nothing.
So what are your expectations for Garuda Vega?
But yeah, in this movie, I love it when Pooja is around. It's very nice. Like I feel very happy. She's got a very good aura. Yeah.
Okay. So what are your personal expectations on Garuda Vega?
After I saw the film yesterday, I'm very chilled out because it is so good that you don't have to be worried. Like I told Rajshekhar sir, ab chill maro, jao party karo. It is very good. The product is brilliant.
Super.
Yeah.
So what do you want to say to the audience about Garuda Vega?
Okay, so I'd say there are 5 important elements in Garuda Vega why you should see the film. Number 1, the grand visuals. Number 2, and you can see it in 4K by the way. It's there out there in Hyderabad. Number 2, the background score is brilliant. Number 3, Rajshekhar sir is looking hot. Number 4, Pooja, me and Sunny Leone. And number 5, Praveen Sattaru's direction with a very tight screenplay and script, which will not take, you will not take your eyes off the screen even for a second.
Super. So let's finish this interview with Dio Dio.
What do you want to do?
Let's sing and let's dance.
1, 2, 3, start. Alone redu, palle acham na kallu. నన్నే చూస్తే కోరికలనే అతే గుర్రాలు. అలోనే రెడు పల్లె అచ్చం నా కళ్ళు. నన్నే చూస్తే కోరికలనే అతే గుర్రాలు. డియో డియో డిసక్ 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 డియో డియో డిసక్ 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 డిసక్.
Super!
Oh God!
Thank you so much, Shraddha, and all the very best.
Thank you.
Garuda Vega super duper hit అయిపోవాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను.
Thank you, and I hope you give us a good review.
Yes.
I will watch it.
Sure.
It was very nice, the interview, but very controversial questions. And I taught her this song, by the way.
Yeah, she did.
That's what. Chalo.
Hi Indigo, its viewers. This is Anu Emanuel.
Exclusive videos.
For more interviews,
And gossips.
news and much more.
Please subscribe to IG Telugu.